All practice pages and other materials for learning cursive are available at my Teachers Pay Teachers store at www.teacherspayteachers.com/store/Ann-Fosnight. Learning Cursive, Lesson 55, Capital W. A capital W in cursive is similar to a capital W in print. The bottoms become curved and it's closer together, but it has basically the same amount of strokes. W is our next candy curve letter. And when you form it, you make that candy curve start with the over curve between the midline and the headline, down to an undercurve. This undercurve goes between the midline and the headline. It's okay to make it all the way up to the headline if you like it that way. Otherwise, you can make it shorter like I do. Back to another undercurve and ends with another overcurve. So we have overcurve, undercurve, slant, undercurve, overcurve. Overcurve, undercurve, slant, undercurve, overcurve. Try to keep the same space between these two parts of the W. Make it touch the headline in at least these two places and the baseline in two places. As I said, this line, you could choose to have it touch the headline or you can choose to make it shorter. When preparing to complete the W, capital W practice page, please sit up straight, clear your desk, have a good slant to your paper, and write your name neatly in cursive at the top of the page. Our W model shows us we start with an overcurve, we go to an undercurve, and another undercurve to an overcurve. So between the midline and the headline, we make an overcurve, down to an undercurve, stop between the midline and the headline, slant back down into an undercurve, and go back up into another overcurve. So we have overcurve, undercurve, undercurve, overcurve. Overcurve, undercurve, I'm going to trace this one better, slant to an undercurve, overcurve. When you've trained your hand how to make it correctly on the training wheel letters, move back to under the model and try it on your own. Overcurve, undercurve, stop, undercurve, overcurve. Compare yours to the model. Mine's a bit wider. See what you think. W is not a connecting letter. We just have the capital W beside its lowercase partner here. And we can see that they do not connect. If your name starts with a W, you're welcome to cross out one of these names and write your own name. We have Wade and Wanda, Webster, Wendy, Wolf, and Willow to try out on our own. Trace them and write them beside. And we'll go on to the next candy curve next time.